Wow, that was one busy open house. I think since this is a post-COVID, or we're slowly rolling out, and we're still having people sign the PAD COVID disclosure, but everybody has been vaccinated. People I have been asking are vaccinated, and people are very respectful, wearing their masks and social distancing, which is wonderful. And this house sorry, I'm so tired. This house is very popular. It's beautiful, and I wanted to share with you one of the reasons why, besides the natural beauty of this home, it's so light and bright, but I have some statistics that I wanted to share with you. So here's some stats that I ran this morning. This is from the single family homes in the 95070 zip code, which is the Saratoga. And as you can see, that the number of active listings is 32, and the days on market for sold is 45 days. But our property over here has been only in the market for 3 days, and I'll tell you why. Look at this. So the median sales price for the last 30 days is 3.57, right? And then the last month it was 3.06. The year ago it was 2.4. So what's going on? Well, there's a whole lot of folks wanting to buy in this area, and let me share with you. So like this is a 4-bedroom, and the last 30 days home sold was 3.57. So if you want information on this area or any other area in the Bay Area, I'd be happy to print it out and mail or email out to you information. But you see, this property is a pretty good value comparatively speaking. And so that's why we've had the preemptive offers. And so if you are interested in buying a property, I would suggest that you don't wait for open house, because a lot of times these properties, these well-priced point properties, will not have an open house. So that's my little tidbit for today. I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as I did. And so we have one more day of from 1 to 4 of open house of this, and we are accepting backup offers. But boy, this is a very popular home, and you can see why. All right, take care and have a nice day. Bye-bye.